Imagine a world where you're bringing in $27,000 every month, all thanks to the power of AI automation. It's not just a far-off fantasy, it's a reality waiting for you to claim it. Let me paint a vivid picture. Our affiliate side project, it's already raked in a cool $4,000, but that's just the beginning. Dive into our Stripe account, and you'll see the evidence. A jaw-dropping $27,000 earned in the past 4 weeks alone. Over the span of a year, that's a staggering $629,000. And here's the kicker, that's not even the whole story. We've got PayPal and other ventures adding to our income stream. I'm not bragging, I'm inviting you to join the ranks of those who've unlocked this incredible potential. Before we start, drop a yes in the comments below to let me know that you actually like this and that you're interested in this sort of stuff. Your feedback is important to me, and I appreciate your support. To ensure I provide similar trainings in the future, and to enhance algorithmic performance, let's delve into exploring the power of AI for business growth. We'll focus on 3 key areas, initiating with a yes, followed by 2 more sections, and then an intriguing opportunity. Utilizing AI presents diverse avenues for earning revenue, particularly through deep dive into high-level, maximizing AI for revenue, also known as high-level or go high-level. There are abundant options to explore in this domain, including leveraging advanced algorithms, automating processes, and enhancing customer engagement strategies. You can observe here this pertains to the agency side, yet it barely scratches the surface. As we transition to the client side, there's an overwhelming amount of activity. Emphasizing a singular offer. The key to success. The crucial aspect is to concentrate on one specific area. Now, if you're a seasoned business owner operating an agency, or familiar with expanding client bases, employing multiple staff members, perhaps ranging from 3 to 20, you could delve deeper into this. However, I've conversed with such individuals. I've recently attended a mastermind session with high-level participants engaged in coaching calls, and even they, with multiple business ventures, advocate for a single offer. They comprehend that selling to a business is different from holding a job. This isn't about showing up, following orders, and receiving a paycheck. This is about being the boss. You must sell something to earn. There are various avenues to achieve this. You can engage in affiliate marketing, as demonstrated here with our affiliate program Selling High Level. You can also generate income by selling products or services to businesses, whether it's Bob the plumber, Sally the hairdresser, an online retailer, or a mechanic. Regardless of the industry, businesses can reap the benefits of such offerings, presenting ample opportunities for revenue generation. That's essentially it in a nutshell. Now, how do we proceed with this? We start by identifying the specific needs of your target market, developing a compelling offer, and utilizing effective marketing strategies. There are numerous options available if we delve into high level. Here, we can access the agency dashboard, which mainly provides a lot of data that loads in, but it's not particularly essential. Within the SAS configurator, specific plans offer varying options. However, this particular plan stands out because of its customization and plan selling capabilities. So what's our approach here? We're selecting an idea, specifically focusing on creating a video production agency. I'll elaborate on how you can establish such an agency, offering services like AI chat widgets, automation tools, follow-up sequences, text messaging, phone calls, calendars, and more. However, my primary focus will be on the video creation aspect. The concept revolves around creating videos for clients' social media platforms or websites and managing their posting schedules. This approach emphasizes inbound marketing, contrasting with traditional ad spending. We'll leverage platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and possibly LinkedIn for video distribution. I'll introduce you to tools like Shinefy.com, an AI-powered video creation software, and High Level for scheduling and posting videos. You won't need to create the videos yourself. ChatGPT and AI will handle that for you. With these tools, you can offer video creation and scheduling services to businesses, creating a revenue stream starting at $500 per month. I'll grant you entry to the system to create a sub-account. There's a distinction between sub-accounts and main accounts, or the agency view. You'll have access to the agency view, which is the overarching perspective, and then there's the sub-account, which represents a specific business. This analogy is akin to a parent-child relationship. As the agent owner, the parent, you oversee everyone's accounts. When you create a sub-account for a business, such as Bob's Plumbing Service, they gain access to specific features without overwhelming them with unnecessary details. You can customize their access and tailor a plan by editing features like two-way text messaging, CRM functionalities, and website hosting capabilities within the system. You have the ability to construct sales funnels and even host entire websites here. There's a vast array of templates available for website hosting. Additionally, you can set up workflows, triggers, affiliate programs, generate reports, and create blogs, among other functionalities. To streamline the process, you can turn off features that are not necessary for a particular client. For instance, if you're focusing on the social media aspect, you can activate the Social Planner feature and create a tailored plan specifically for that purpose. This ensures that clients only see what's relevant to them. avoiding confusion or overwhelm. As they start benefiting from your video creation services at $500 per month using AI for video production and the social planner to schedule posts, you can gradually introduce additional services to them. It's recommended to stick with offering one primary service initially, as emphasized by successful entrepreneurs like Frank Kern, who advocates for selling just one thing to start. The system allows you to easily create plans, integrate payment methods like Stripe or PayPal, and manage client accounts through sub-accounts, simplifying the client management process. As an example, we can explore other functionalities available here. There's a wealth of resources, including a university section offering the 5-day AI challenge designed for those interested in selling the chat widget. Additionally, there's the SAS Fast Track, which can be accessed either through a bundle purchase or for free via the virtual course, providing comprehensive guidance on setting up and managing an agency. While there's much to delve into, it's essential to focus on one aspect at a time. In case you're using high level, that's great. If not, you can still try a trial by switching to Earn AI Cash. Simply head over here to access a complimentary course along with several bonuses. This trial lasts for 30 days, allowing you to explore it for free. It's pretty neat. Visit earnaicash.com to get started. However, keep in mind that there's already content available here. The additional free courses and bonuses are a bonus on top of what's already provided. Moving on, let's delve into simplifying client management with high level, an actual agency. For instance, there are some valuable features like conversations, where all communication channels are consolidated. This includes text messages, emails, and social media interactions, making it convenient to manage everything in one place. It's essential to engage with people, especially if you're aiming for significant outcomes. If you're looking to avoid interactions altogether, consider hiring someone who excels in communication skills. This platform also offers a calendar feature for scheduling meetings, both for personal and client use. You can easily set up appointments, share links, and collect payment information seamlessly. Additionally, it includes contact management, payment integration, a social planner for posting videos, and automated responses for efficient communication. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. You might wish to consider developing that aspect for your own business at a later stage, but I advise concentrating on selling just one thing. This platform offers websites, funnels, and numerous templates for creating websites. There are multiple categories with an abundance of templates to select from. Similarly, there are various options for funnels, including WordPress hosting and tools for crafting forms and surveys. The chat widget is an impressive feature, enabling customers to interact with AI on their website and eventually connect with a human if desired. Additionally, there are functionalities for memberships and managing reputation, such as Google reviews. However, I recommend avoiding leading with reputation management initially due to its slower results. It's crucial to provide businesses with something where they can witness immediate results, such as video creation, missed call text back, or AI chat widgets. Reputation management can be introduced later. The platform also encompasses reporting capabilities for generating insightful reports and a mobile app that can be customized with white labeling. In summary, while the platform offers a myriad of functionalities, focus on what's essential for your business instead of attempting to utilize everything simultaneously. Begin with one primary offering and expand gradually as needed to ensure seamless operations and client satisfaction. We're taking a brief detour from discussing high level to focus on creating videos. Let's consider our plan. Reaching out to a business like Joe the Plumber from political campaigns. Whether it's Joe or Bob, the goal is to inquire about their desire for more customers. Naturally, everyone wants to expand their customer base. However, they've likely faced disappointments with ad spending. This is where inbound marketing through videos comes in. It's essentially cost-free compared to ads. While creating videos incurs a cost, businesses prefer this investment over unpredictable ad spending, ensuring a more targeted approach. Ads end once you spend the money, but videos have lasting value and continue to work for you. Unlike ads that finish, videos can still be effective 2 years later. They help in building a brand and attracting customers. If you have an existing video, you can search for competitor videos that perform well, transcribe them, and get the script. You can then edit it to include relevant information like the business name, website, or phone number. After that, input it into the image to video tool and add the script. For new ideas, such as a plumbing video for Bob's Plumbing Service, you can generate a script focusing on a single preventative maintenance item. Accuracy isn't crucial for brainstorming, so you can quickly jot down ideas without worrying about spelling. After hitting the Generate Video button, the tool creates the video in 15 to 20 minutes. You can queue several videos, take a break, and come back later. Several options enhance video creation, such as turning on accuracy features or adding captions which display text on the video. I'll demonstrate this shortly. Portrait videos, unlike landscape ones typically used for YouTube, are ideal for 60-second formats. You can customize the image and video themes, specifying them according to the business, like plumbing. By hitting save, you apply these themes to the video. The same customization can apply to other themes, whether for business or emotional content. You could explore numerous possibilities, but the key is to focus on one thing at a time. Whether editing an existing video with specific details or creating a new one, the aim is to build a brand and drive customer engagement. Features available allow for extensive customization, ensuring each video meets the business's specific needs. Remember, videos are not just for immediate results, but also for long-term brand growth and customer acquisition. With these tools, you can efficiently create and customize videos that continue to work for the business long after their creation. Plumbing for the image theme, and then the same process. Hit save prompt and exit out. You can use various themes, including business, emotional, dark and scary, or fun and exciting. There's also the option to add voices. The AI offers a vast selection of voices, and you can listen to each one to find the perfect match. We won't dive into that now. Music can be added too, but I recommend not using background music due to potential copyright issues. Once the video is ready, let's examine a general business video I created about a sales funnel.
All a sales funnel is a simple automated process for turning strangers into customers. You don't need overly fancy, complicated software. It starts with the landing page. You offer a free guide, audit, PDF in exchange for that contact information. Once they get that free guide, PDF, or whatever you offered, then you send 3 to 5 emails talking about your particular product or service, whether you're trying to get them on the phone or driving traffic to a sales page to sell one of your courses. And that is all there is to it, to a sales funnel. To learn more, go to 3hourincome.com.
After downloading this video, go to High Level, enter the sub-account, and navigate to Marketing, then Social Planner. Let me switch to a sub-account where I have examples set up. In the Social Planner section, you'll see various social accounts already linked. Add the relevant ones and create a new post. Select the accounts for posting. For example, use Facebook and Instagram for Reels and TikTok and Twitter for other posts. For instance, if it's a video about Bob's plumbing service, you can title it, What a Sales Funnel Is. Upload the video by selecting the file from your computer. Once the video is uploaded, it will automatically play when loaded. You can also add a follow-up comment to engage viewers further, like to get your plumbing needs sorted, visit Bob's Plumbing Service. This approach ensures you can effectively utilize various themes and AI tools to create engaging content. Whether focusing on a single preventative maintenance item or more complex marketing strategies, the tools available make it easy to generate professional videos that drive customer engagement and build your brand. Remember, while videos have a lasting impact, unlike ads that end once the budget is spent, they continue to work for years, helping to build a brand and attract customers. By leveraging competitor videos and transcribing them, you can create personalized content that resonates with your audience. Editing the script to include specific details like the business name, website, or phone number enhances the video's relevance. Inputting the script into the image-to-video tool allows for seamless integration of visuals and text, right? And then you just hit post. You can schedule it out, schedule a post, or you can do post now. It doesn't matter. Obviously, it's nice to schedule, so we can have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday all scheduled out. Right, so then we have it posted out. What that would look like is this. It'll give you all these videos. These are all done, of course, and it gives you links so you can open them up. Then we can see, I don't know if this is TikTok, but here's the video, right? It's posted on TikTok and away we go. And so that's basically it. As far as the concept goes, you sell the service. Hey, $500 a month, I will make the videos. You don't have to make the videos. It's just Shinefy.com. We'll make the videos for you. Then, once you have the videos, you schedule them out in High Level. You can give them access to this as part of it. When you have a High Level plan, there are 2 different ones, a $297 plan and a $497 plan. You can get either. When you have those, there are different reasons to choose different plans. But even if you just start with the $297 plan, you're paying High Level $297 a month. Then what's happening is you're able to say, okay, here's $500 a month, and you get an account and give it to them. You can create unlimited accounts at that point. You can create 100 accounts in here, have 100 customers, charging them all $500 a month, which is, what is that? Is that $50,000 a month? I think it's $50,000. So if you had 100 accounts times $500 a month, that's $50,000 a month. Right, pretty easy. I said $27,000. When we started, that's double that, right? So obviously it's going to take a minute to get to 100 clients, but it doesn't cost you anymore. You're still only paying the $297 even when you're bringing in $50,000 $27 a month, right? So it's pretty straightforward, but that's how you can take an agency, or call it whatever you want. That's how you can use software AI to sell a video creation service, and that's just one angle you can do. You can stack other services on top of that. For example, you could sell a missed call text back service for another $500 a month, and then the AI chat widget for $300 a month. Now you're at $300 a month, and it takes fewer customers. Divide that by $300, and now you only need 38 customers to get to $50,000 a month. That's how you can do it, and the big thing is, don't get overwhelmed. This video is great. You can watch it again. There are several videos once you sign up. When you sign up, you get the courses inside High Level. Plus, we'll give you multiple extra free courses. One course shows you how to do the video stuff and how to get clients initially, because once you have the software, you need to get clients first. I have a 12-hour course that will take some time to complete, but remember, this is a business. I'll give you that course to help you get clients to sell the video creation service to. There's also a course on how to functionally use High Level and run an agency and sell to clients. There are multiple courses. Don't get overwhelmed. Remember, just sell one thing, just one thing. How do you get started? Go over to Earn AI Cash. Pop in your name, email address, and phone number, and sign up for a free trial. It's free for 30 days, so you don't have to pay. We'll give you the free bonus and courses, and away you go. That is the smartest path to earning $27,000 a month or more using AI in 2024. This will work moving forward in 2025, 26, 27, etc. By that point, there will be even more options, more things to sell, and more ways to make money. Until then, happy earning.